welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss things no one tells you before buying a house in Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. So guys, buying a house is one of the biggest financial decisions most people take in their lifetime. For many, it's a dream. But there are several realities of owning a home that many people only discover after they buy their property. So today I'm going to discuss this so that if you're going to make that choice, you know what to expect. So the very first thing is maintenance costs never stop. When you own a home, there's always something that needs repair or maintenance. Trust me, guys. It could be the roof, furnace, plumbing, appliance, or something unexpected like even your driveway. These repairs can sometimes cost hundreds to thousands of dollars too. It has happened to me. So that's what I'm telling you. Property tax increase. So when you buy a property, you see what's the property tax that has been paid, but it increases every year. So uh, if you're seeing a property tax now, on depending on your budget, you're buying a house, it can significantly increase over the time, and it could become a headache. Trust me, it happens. There are unexpected repairs too. Sometimes major repairs appear without warning. For example, a water heater may suddenly stop working. Boom, or the roof may start leaking. These emergencies can be financially stressful if you're not prepared. Utility costs are also high. Okay, heating, electricity, water, and waste services can cost more than expected, and these bills can go up. I mean, the billing rate for these services can go up to down the line. It is possible. Okay, large homes. If you're buying a very large home, okay, they can have like huge heating costs during winter. Okay, and you will be responsible for everything. Market values can fluctuate. We have seen in past few years, right? Home values are still going down, and if this war in West Asia continues, it will go down even more. I have told you the reason why. So it's a very good dream to have a home ownership, and it's a very good feeling also to own a home rather than renting. But be prepared, there are some costs too, and knowing those costs will really help you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.